Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and I am here with these great pom-poms. These are from aiviwiai. They are super fun and great for cheering up and cheering on whoever you need to. The pom-poms are the perfect cheerleading size. These are a 6-inch circular form that has tons of shimmering foils. They make lots of fun noise, but they also sparkle like crazy. I opted for the blue and white, but they have lots of fun colors that just look so glimmery and shiny. I really like the plastic baton in the middle. It's really convenient and easy to use. You can really grip onto them and you don't have to worry about them flying away or losing control. I like these because I teach virtually, so they're the perfect size and it makes them really fun. They show up well, even on screen. And it's just fun to cheer them on, even if they're having a bad day. There's no one that cannot laugh when they see pom-poms. You can also, you see that these would be great for using in person, whether you work in dancing or in cheerleading, whatever purpose that you're going to use them for, it just makes them tons of fun. So if you need to cheer someone up, then you definitely want to check these out. You will have lots of fun. It makes everybody happy when they see them, but that's just my point of view.